Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by minimizing writes to the storage. That protects deleted photos. Enable airplane mode and connect a trusted USB cable to a PC. Once done, turn on developer options and enable USB debugging so recovery tools communicate with the device. Make sure you have a recovery program installed on the computer and at least 10 gigabytes free. If the phone is encrypted, note that passwords are required. Otherwise, the tool can scan directly. Start the recovery app and select your device to begin a read-only scan. You now run the deep scan, choose read-only mode so nothing is altered. Select common image extensions, JPG, PNG, hike, and start the sector-level scan. While scanning, review previews to prioritize important photos. Don't stop the scan unless necessary because longer scans find fragmented files. Once you identify files, mark them and save to a local PC folder, never back to the phone. If the app offers file carving or RAW extraction, enable it to recover partially overwritten image. You finish by verifying each recovered photo opens correctly, then immediately back them up to cloud storage and an external drive. If some images are corrupt, run a second pass scan with different carving settings or use a specialized image recovery tool that supports hike and thumbnails. Make sure not to perform a factory reset on the device, since that reduces recovery chances drastically. If the phone is physically damaged or encrypted and you cannot access data, consult a professional data recovery service before further attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.